Welcome to this YouTube channel. My name is Friday Samuel, and in this channel I post make money online tips and strategies that will help you make a lot of money from the internet. Now please, if you are seeing the channel for the first time, I would love you to hit the subscribe button. Subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you. Welcome back. In today's video, I'll be taking you through how to make 5,000 naira daily here in Nigeria. Yes, that is very possible. I'll be showing you how to make 5,000 naira daily here in Nigeria. But please, before we continue, help me hit the subscribe button, like this video, and also comment. Thank you. I'm gonna be showing you the easiest way to make 5,000 naira daily here in Nigeria. Now I'm in my Chrome browser and I'm going to clear all tabs right now. Yes, I'm going to create a new tab. Now here on my Chrome, my Google Chrome, I'm going to search for this freebyz.com. Yes, freebyz.com. Now do allow it to load. Then the first one here, I'm going to click on it and I'm going to open in a new tab, right? I'm going to open that in a new tab. The first one that pops up, open it in a new tab. I'm going to go open in a new tab. Now this is the website freebyz.com, and as you can see the interface of this website, it reads work online and earn daily in dollars and in naira. Now you can see what is written here. FREEBYZ was created for you to make cool cash every day by doing simple social media jobs on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and other social media platforms. You can see, guys, you can make money from all the social media platforms, and you can also use FREEBYZ to play games, answer survey questions, and test out new applications that are just rolled out on Play Store and Apple Store. Now I'm going to show you how to get started with FREEBYZ. Now, since you are a new user, you know you have to sign up for an account on FREEBYZ. Now to get started with that, you click on the three dots right here. You click on the get started now and you're allowed to do, right? Click on the get started now and you're allowed to load. Sorry for that. Now you just give it some time, it will load. Oh sorry, this is my account. I'm going to log out on my account so that you're going to see what I'm trying to say. As I'm going to log out from my account. Sorry. I'm going to log out from my account. And I'm going to show you guys how to sign up. Okay. This is to sign up now, you hit on the three dots icon here and you click on register. You click on register. Now this is how to register. Now you enter your first name as usual, your last name also, and then you input your valid email address. You can input your phone number also. Select your country. Me, I'll be putting Nigeria here since I'm a Nigerian, and you fix in a password. Please always put a password that you can remember. And the survey question here that they ask, how did you hear about freebyz.com? You select, let me click on the icon. You can see you select from anyone. You see them from Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, anyone. You can choose anyone. Then you agree the terms and conditions and register. After clicking on the register button, a code will be sent to your email address and you'll be then asked to input the code to verify your email address. After that, you'll be logged in to FREEBYZ. Now, to have a verified account on FREEBYZ, you have to pay the sum of 1,100 naira approximately. Because the time I registered, I think it was 1,080 naira. So that is 1,100 naira approximately for your account to be verified. Because if your account is not verified, the tax you are going to be completing are going to be in vain. I mean, you're not going to be seeing money from the tax you'll be completing. So you just need 1,100 naira approximately to sign up on this platform to start earning a minimum of 500,000 naira. 5,000 naira daily. Now I'm going to log into my account so that you can see what I'm talking about. This is the login page. Now you see, you can see that I'm going to use my touch ID. Yes, then I'm gonna log in for you to see this. Now allow to load. Yeah, that's loaded. Now this is my interface, my account. As you can see, I started not long ago. I've done 4 jobs and you can see my balance 51 naira. Now after creating an account and after verifying your account, this is what is going to be showing. This yellow interface here that is saying that your account has been verified. This is what is going to be showing. Now after verifying your account, I'm going to be showing you how to, and you can see how to perform tax. Now remember I told you for you to verify your account it was 1,080 naira when I paid. Now you can see the correct amount saved is 1,050 naira. You are going to either pay, you pay to this money point account here, then after that you click on this here, click here to click on here, this here right here, to send them a screenshot of the money you paid to verify your payment. After that, your account will be verified. It will be showing this yellow band here showing that your Naira account is verified. Now let's head on to the tax, how to complete tax to earn B on FREEBYZ.com. Now click on this 3 dots here at the left hand side. Yes, to open up the main menu. Now you are going to be seeing your dashboard, promote business, save law, create banner ads, and many others. Now what you are here for is to find jobs, right? So I'm going to click on the jobs icon here, and you can see the drop down icon there, available jobs, my jobs, completed jobs, and disputed jobs. Now I'm going to click on available jobs, right, and allow to load. Please be patient, allow it to load. And yeah, these are the available jobs right now. You can see the first one, the Smooth Line Enterprises. It's at the phone chain. Let's go down. Okay, now this is what I'm talking about. Now look at this, the Canabam Twitter job. After completing this job, you'll be rewarded with 20 naira. 649 people has completed this job, and this guy wants 650 people for the job. And you can also see the second one, the app download tax. 291 people are required for this work, and you can see only 205 people and have completed this. Guys, look at the money they are paying, 150 naira. Imagine you are seeing, you see a tax here, a job here that is paying 150 naira in 4 places. You know how much that is. You can see the next job, Instagram is job. It's not going to pass watching of the Instagram video or liking it. This guy is paying 55 naira. You can see like and comment on the YouTube video. You will get 12 naira. Sign up on Coin Cola Exchange. You will get 200 naira. Sign up on your website. You will get 35 naira. You can see Twitter crypto follow jobs. You will get 20 naira. And subscribe to a YouTube channel. Comment on a Facebook page or a Facebook post. TikTok follow campaign. Download and register on the app. You can see that there are many jobs for you to perform on the FREEBYZ website. So I urge you to start it down. And also for easier purpose, I will be copying my referral link and I'll be pasting it in the description of the video or in the comment section so that it will be easier for you to sign up for this website. And please, if you have any question regarding to the website or you don't understand anything I explain, please feel free to ask me in the comment section and I'll be delighted to explain better to you. I hope you had value. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video. I'll see you in the next one.